Preseason tip number one, you're gonna have some nagging injuries that come up when you go from an off season, even if you were training, to all of a sudden the intensity of two-a-days, practice every day, maybe some of the intense conditioning that coaches will put you through at the start of a season. So be aware that that's completely normal. You're gonna have these feelings, things are gonna bug you. It's what you do with it next, right? So the important thing to focus on is to not always look for a stretch or some type of soft tissue approach right away. A lot of times that's the question I get. Can I get a stretch for this thing that's hurting? And that might be a good thing, but it also could be the worst possible thing for you to do is to, start intensely stretching an injured part or something that's nagging. You start sticking a lacrosse ball into it. It's probably, could be problematic. So what we tend to recommend is go to the athletic trainer, make sure that you get them on some type of protocol, maybe to bring inflammation down, maybe to rest, maybe to do something else, but at least you get their opinion as far as the injured part goes. Now, where I come in on the strength and conditioning side and movement side is to start thinking about those things that maybe could have caused it if it is an overuse thing. I mean, it could have been a contact, but usually we can work in and around that area. So if you think of maybe hip function for someone whose knee is bothering them, you can do things in and around your hips and maybe the joint below as well, the ankle, to make sure that you have the requisite mobility and the core and trunk stability to be able to make your knee feel a little better. So as you are sitting on the sidelines possibly, or maybe you're just getting through certain parts of practice, your warm-up, your routine should be things that are away from the injury to make sure you're improving overall body function, overall body movement, so that when things come back online with the injured part, you're ready to go.